Hello, everybody. Great being here. So today there's pretty much going on in our society. We have the energy transition since years. We have the mobility transition since years. We now have AI coming towards the place. And we have the German and European so-called Zeitenwende. So all these transitions have something in common. And one thing is that they all require high electric power at location where it's not available today. So the real bottleneck in these transitions is rebuilding the power grid. And rebuilding the power grid is quite a strange thing. It's really slow. It takes up to 6 years to build a new grid connection. It is over the top, especially when it's about peak power, because normally many of these locations do not really need the amount that is built there, and it's quite expensive. In the investment, as well as in operation, a 1 megawatt grid connection can cost you up to 200,000 euro per year just for operating it. And yet, as we've seen in Spain, this does not guarantee grid stability. So we have built a high power storage system based on physics, not on chemistry. It's a flywheel. It's very powerful. It's 250 kilowatts to 20 kilowatt hours per unit. It is built to last 1 million charging cycles, 25 years of lifespan, efficient, 92% round trips. That means having the empty system, charging it with rated power and discharging it again. It is safe, it's not flammable, it is sustainable, and what's very important here, it's made in Europe with existing supply chains. So scaling this technology is not about building gigafactories or something, it is about supply chain management. So this is clearly different from battery systems. And what we do there, since we were the first that we're able to build this technology to make it a product. Other companies also work on it. We've built a patent portfolio of 7 international granted patents and 18 now in application. So we ship these systems. This is a picture from last week where we ship 1 unit to our partner ARPA in Spain. This unit there will provide stable power together with a fuel cell for a hospital. So this is a quite interesting application for our technology that gained some relevance after the blackout in Spain. Anyhow, they signed contract before the blackout, which is quite interesting. When you look at the market for high power storage systems like ours, you see it's front of meter, behind the meter. We position ourselves behind the meter in the commercial and industrial side. This market is 1.8 billion euro, and flywheels are already very well positioned in this market for uninterruptible power supplies of data centers and the like. There's about 10,000 units in the field. We position ourselves as an equipment manufacturer. So that means we sell our units starting at 108,000 euro per unit to our customers, make a gross margin of 40%, and then we'll have recurring revenues on the energy management system we provide, as well as remote maintenance. Scaling of manufacturing, as already mentioned, is supply chain management for us, and the same with field service. So we have partners providing field service in the field. We aim for key accounts in 3 different market segments. So commercial manufacturing power grids, high power charging, and sustainable mass transportation. This year, we aim for about 1 million euro in revenues, bookable revenues. That will be the path of our growth to selling 127 units in 2027, reaching 3,000 sales in 2032. Which comes with about 120 million euros in revenues. The emissions reduced by these numbers, or by these units, will be 6.3 million tons of CO2, and we'll have about 200 employees in this company. Today we have 15 people. We have all the qualification we need for our current stage on board. Nico and I founded the company in 2016. Axel is our head of business development with a long experience in sales of complex products. Maren, doing finance and accounting, former head of finance in a logistics company, and Isabel, HR, also with long experience in building young teams there. We have a board that supports us with all the qualification in terms of strategy, funding, product development, deep tech products in the energy sector, bringing them to the market, and finance for sure. So electrification, decarbonization, and renewable energies are megatrends, and they're really changing our power grids. High power storage systems like ours playing a crucial role in future power grids, and this crucial role is similar to the role transformers play today. So thank you very much for your attention. I'm looking forward to talk to you and to figure out who will put on the shortlist for our next financing round. Thanks.